Hi, my name is Dylann Grosdidier, and I'm going to be talking to you about Ronald Davis, one of my favorite artists that we looked at this semester. Ronald Davis was born in 1937 in Santa Monica, California. When he was younger, him and his family moved to Wyoming, where he grew up and later attended the University of Wyoming. As he began to study, he decided to transfer to San Francisco Art Institute to finish up his studies. He currently lives in Arroyo Hondo, New Mexico. He has worked in the Museum of Modern Art in New York, the Tate Gallery in London, and in the Art Institute of Chicago. He's earned the reception of a National Endowment for the Arts grant and a retrospective at the Butler Institute of American Art in Ohio. For his time, he was a very well-known artist, and he did a lot of great things that people still to this day look at and know. He's known for his geometric abstract paintings, canvas paintings, having constant bright colors and geometric shapes, and now his 3D computer graphics that he is beginning to get into, as he is still creating to this day. This first picture is a painting on paper. He didn't give it a title, but it was created in 1967. It was one of the first paintings that Ronald was really known for, and people recognized his bright colors and his geometric shapes. Cube 2 in 1971 was another famous painting. He had a different one, Cube 1, that was done around the same time, but Cube 2 was done with a little more detail and a little more finish. And it's an offset lithograph, which is really cool to look at. Again, you see those constant bright colors from Davis. Cube in 4 panels in 1975 is one of my favorite paintings. It's acrylic actually done on canvas, and I think it's so cool that it almost looks unfinished. He has the lines that you would normally draw and then probably erase, but he didn't want that look. He wanted the look of like being in the middle of his painting, and I think it looks so cool. Cube in 4 panels and the next couple all kind of have this finished look to them, and Ronald was really known for doing that. Again, the hexagon frame done in 1975 has those similar vibes as Cube in 4 frames, and it's just amazing to see what he's truly known for. This again was paint done on canvas, but it just looks like his work, and looks like he was trying to do this instead of it being the finished product, which I genuinely think is so cool. Again, Lift and Bent Vents in 1977 was done on canvas. It has all those lines for the geometric shapes. He doesn't erase his in-progress lines, which I think is so cool. The color is bright. There's lots of it, and that's something you notice throughout all of his paintings. Brick, done in 1983, is another lithograph done on paper, and I thought this one was so cool that it had such bright colors. It still has some of those lines to show his progress, but then there's this like paint splatter effect, and in a very Ronald Davis way. It was just bright and out there, and you knew it was his. The Spiral Uplifter, done in 1986, is a little bit different. It doesn't have those lines like the last 4 did. This has a more finished, polished look, has the detail of the shadowing. This was done with acrylic and Nova Gel, and it's done on canvas. So as you can see, the more recent paintings done by him, he's been trying new things. He didn't stick with one thing. He moved from painting on paper to some lithographs to canvas, Now he's doing acrylic and Nova gel. He isn't known for one thing. What he is known for is those bright colors and geometric shapes. Again, this mitered cube over stripes done in 1988 has the same acrylic. It has gel. It's done on a canvas. It has the shadow work. I just think this one is so cool because there's something so simple yet so unique about this painting. Now some of his newer work, like the upright dodecagon done in 2005, has a little bit of a more modern or updated look to it than his older work, which I think is so cool that he is evolving with art. He isn't just sticking with what he knew and what he was taught. So the upright dodecagon is a heat-fused pixel dust, and it's done on a white aluminum and has a gloss on top of it to give it that more modern feel and to fit in with what current artists are doing and what the current trends are. And this is the same thing. It's a heat-fused pixel dust done on aluminum. This is the pink and blue vent done in 2005. This is one of his more recent works, just like the last. And you can just tell that as art has evolved, his work has evolved too. And that's one of the things that I really liked about Ronald Davis, is he has evolved with art, but his bright colors and his geometric shapes, like his actual style and what he's known for, hasn't changed. And here's my citations page.